Good morning. Is that how they do?
Good morning.
No, I'm done. We're not in England no more.
This is your vlog. We're gonna go watch something you will love. So this is your video.
Good morning. We're going to the pool at the store. No, we're not, KJ. We're going to our YouTuber's house to go to the pool.
There you go, Carson.
But not yet. We have somewhere else to stop first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to my friend's house.
We're going on a trip
In our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein. What? I thought you were gonna fall. You didn't fall. Anyway, so today is the weekend. Woo!
Thankfully, the weekend after a long trip. Yes, Carson.
I like the trip. Carson, I can see you.
Carter.
I can see you.
Yeah,
too.
thank you. I forgot to pick it up. So, right now we're heading to Shana's house to pick up some floaties, or a floaty.
His floaty.
We have no idea how it got there.
None.
And I hope it's the right floaty we're talking about.
I hope it's our floaty.
And then we're gonna go watch a show.
A great show.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Not gonna say what the show is because we don't want the kids to know until we get there. So,
Well, apparently it's their favorite too.
it was his favorite and their favorite. And I'm married.
Like on the plane, they watched it 5 times in total.
Yeah. I'm married into it, so.
She has no choice.
I need some lip balm, lotion, $1,000 million.
I'm gonna get the kid real one.
But right now, the important thing is to not be dry.
I can't believe we're going to the real Lion King.
Come on. Alright, so we just got done watching the movie. What movie did we watch?
Lion King.
How'd you like it, sir?
It was good. It was good. They changed up a lot of stuff from the original, but it was good. I can't complain.
Is it what you expected?
Not really, but I understand. They're trying to
Make it modern.
Yes. They're trying to modernize it. So a lot of the key aspects.
Come on.
Like my favorite song wasn't in there.
Oh yeah, that was sad.
That was horrible.
The one song he loves the most. It was there, they just changed it.
They changed it. We're gonna get something else.
So yeah, so
Like completely changed it. They left the chorus, took out the entire verses. Walk up. Okay, we're gonna leave you. Come on.
everybody said bye to Carson.
Bye.
Alright, so now we're headed to the pool party. Hi, Skylar. She's like, who are you? Hi. Oh.
She's like, I love hockey.
Hi. Get the rest of them.
You go get the rest of them. Hi, thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for inviting us. I was like, oh, it's a party. I thought it was here to you.
I'll take them first one. First thing? Yeah, go first. Salt water takes more. Because they're saying salt water takes less work.
So this is the D2D family cookout. Well, it's not family cookout. It's a pool party. I keep saying family cookout.
Yes.
And so far, what we have done, we set out all the food and we mixed some sangrias. We're gonna show you some sangrias in a little bit. Right now, what you sipping on?
She's shy.
Hurricane Punch.
Mm-hmm.
I think everybody's sipping on Hurricane Punch, and I'm about to check the screwdriver. And then, like I said, I'll see you on drink number 2.
I'm still babysitting on my drink because I stopped to eat fruit, and then we gotta get back in it. D2D is taking over the D&Q experience.
Get me on the camera, bro.
Oh, sorry. Freddie wants some camera time. Go, chug.
I'm really proud of him because literally he doesn't even drink like that.
Yeah.
Go, Freddie. Yeah, it's done kicked in. It kicked all the way in.
That's 5% back.
So we finally made it inside the pool. As you can see by the last clip, Dana Supernova and DJ took over the vlog. I told him I was shy. So I was like, ooh, that's the vlog for I am shy. I'm a shy person. So it was hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this pool and I'll get back to you guys later. We interrupt this pool footage to come to you with some breaking news. So the drone has gone astray. We were trying to figure out where this drone went. We figured it out. So let's see. We don't know where the drone is. While the men look for the drone.
It's the ladies only. Look at us. I'm the captain now. I'm the captain now.
We got rid of the men, guys.
We got rid of them. Let's do the what is it called?
So when they find it, Freddie gotta go over there with the ladder though. Okay, who's gonna climb up there and get it? Off the tree.
Not me.
Charlie's Angels pose.
I don't have one.
I just put my hand in.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
I'm on this side, guys. I'm right here.
Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. And I want to
Gang, gang. Why do you play with Why do you play with my mind?
Camera.
How